welcome back to the channel. My name is Miranda, and for those of you who are new to this channel, I do sewing related tutorials, and I also do crafts and craft related DIYs. So if this is the kind of content that you like, stay tuned and remember to subscribe. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Like you've seen in our thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you some of the fabrics that I bought. I went to Maputo recently in Mozambique and I got beautiful fabrics, and the others that I also bought them here in South Africa. So let's just see what I have. Okay, so the very first fabric that I have here is an African print. I was in love with this fabric. This is just 2 meters. I actually didn't buy this. My godson bought this for me, so I'm not so sure yet what I'm gonna make out of it, but I like the print, the orange and the blacks. It's just colors that are not very common, and I think they work well for my skin tone because I'm dark. So this orange kind of gives it some pop. You can see I like a little bit of orange. I also like greens. So yeah, this was a very nice fabric, and I'm grateful to my my godson in Mozambique. I'm sure he's going to be watching this. Thank you very much, Custodio. Actually, you should give me more fabric. I'm just joking. Okay, so next I have this print here. It's also African print. Very beautiful. I like the blues, the green, the blue, the reds, rather brown, and I think it's like cream, but I really like it. This is 100% cotton, and this is 6 meters, okay, or about 5 yards. So it's very nice. I have a project that I'm going to be working with this. So I loved this print so much, I decided to get 2 6-meter pieces of the same fabric. So I have 2 of them here, both 6 meters. So I have about 12, yeah, because I want to make some pieces, and I think they're really going to look very beautiful. What do you think about those prints? What should I make out of it? Let me know in the comment section of this video. Then I have the third fabric, and wow, look at that, guys, look at that. It's a very nice print. Actually, my husband chose this for me, and I actually like it. You can see the orange and the brown. It's got like earth colors, if I can say so. So this is also 6 meters, or about 5.5 yards. And when you compare this to this, I think I like the quality of this one because this is like 100% cotton, and this has got kind of like a paper feel to it. Yeah, it's not you know, as soft as this other one. Okay, so if I were to choose the quality, I would go for this one. It's very soft and pure 100% cotton. This might be polyester or a mixture of some polyester. It doesn't say, but you can tell because it's kind of hard. It's got like a paper feel to it. So I'll see what I can make out of this. Yeah, but I like the colors, I like the prints. I'm sure it would make your outfit or your pieces stand out. So again, you can see it's got this orange color going on, and the brown, and there's also some black and white. So yeah, so this was the third fabric that I have. And then I have this satin. You can see it frays a lot. Actually, I bought 2 of these. One of them was like a brown goldish version of this green, you know, it's like a metallic green, and I made a blouse, and you can see that blouse and watch the tutorial of how to sew that blouse on this channel. I'll be linking I'll be leaving the link in the description. I was hearing some noise or feedback from there. Okay, so this is one that I also got in Maputo. This is about 2 meters. I'd gotten 2 meters of this and 2 meters of the brown one. So I haven't yet sewn this. Still wondering what I'll do with it, but I like it. I actually like it. It's got a metallic feel to it. So yeah, let's see what I can make. Maybe I'm thinking a crop jacket or something like that of a sort, but I'll see what I will make out of it. Okay, so this I also got in Maputo. I'll just put it down here and get it out of the way. So if you are liking this content, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this channel. You can invite your friends to also follow us, and we're also on Instagram and Facebook as Miranda's Designs and Creations. So the next fabric is this beautiful print. You know, it has got some tie and dye kind of feel to it, and then there's this print on top. Okay, it's about to rain, so if you are hearing the noise, those are thunderstorms. It's been raining heavily in Joburg this past few days, and it's quite cold, but we needed the rain because the whole of August and September it's been very dusty, so the rain will kind of, you know, just cool off the earth. Okay, so this I bought in a fabric store called Makoti's. It's a new branch that they opened in Northcliffe. So if you're around the area, check them out. They have very beautiful, high quality fabrics. They have a lot of different, you know, fabrics variety going on. They have lace, they have silk, they have so many other things going on. Check them out. They're in Northcliffe, and I got this when I visited the store and I loved it. I really loved it. You can see it's got that African kind of feel to it. This is how you would portray the day-to-day lives in Africa. You have women and girls pounding, you have the African hats, and you know, like just day-to-day activities, tilling of the land, and yeah, so it gives it that African feel or vibe going on, and I really fell in love with it. I'm not sure if these paintings do not easily wash out, because I think the printing was done on top of the fabric itself, so I'm not sure that it doesn't easily wash off. I'll have to test that before I can make my article, or I don't even know what I'm going to make out of this, but I'd like to make something that is really unique and is true and authentic to our lifestyle or African activities, because that is what the fabric itself is telling here. It's kind of like a story going on. So yeah, I got 4 meters of this in Makoti's. I'm not sure that you can find it because I bought it about a month or so ago when they were just opening the new branch in Northcliffe. Okay, but in case you pass by, you can get a piece of this. It's very beautiful and quite unique. Okay, it gives you that unique feel and look. Okay, so next I have this lace. It's a white lace. I bought this in another fabric shop or fabric store in Shamdo here in Joburg, and I had an all-white event to go to, and so I was thinking about something that I was going to make with this lace, and I bought some white scuba to line the lace, because obviously this lace is quite transparent. So I was going to make something, but I ran out of time because I was busy with customers' orders, and I really didn't get to make my dress for the event. I just had to wear something that I already had in the wardrobe. Okay, so yeah, I will think of what to make, because the design I wanted to make, it really is for like an event. So I'm not sure that I still want to make that, or I want to make something different out of it, but I'll let you know. Of course, I'll bring you along when I'm making that outfit. And so this was to go with the scuba, This, like I said, was 3 meters, and this was about 2 or 2.5, I'm not sure, because I just bought this to line the lace so that it could not be transparent. So yeah, one more piece of fabric, which is this fleece blanket kind of fabric, or just a fleece or sheep wool. I don't even know what to call it really, but I like the feel. I like the feel of this. It's so soft and it's just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. So I bought 3 meters of this, and I also got this in Makotis, the new outlet in Northcliffe, like I bought the other one. And I really liked their customer service. They were very welcoming, and you know, the shop attendants are very, how can I say, very attentive, and they offer you all the information that you ask for. And they had, at the time that I went to the store, they had different colors of this fabric. There was blue, there was cream, there was this, and I think there was a pink, but I chose this one because I just couldn't resist it. And I planned on making kind of a cardigan dress with a zipper on the front and a hoodie. And I didn't get to make that because at the time we were just almost coming to the end of the court season here in South Africa, and then I had to travel to Mozambique, and yeah, so I couldn't make it. But who knows, I might still make it for the coming seasons, or I might just make kind of a cardigan, like waist length or something. I'm still not sure, but I think I like the idea of the cardigan dress up to the knee, because South Africa really does get cold. So I think it would look nice knee level with boots, or you can even make it up to calf level, and then 3/4 sleeves and a hoodie and a front zipper. I think it's gonna look gorgeous, but let's see what I do with it, and I will obviously be carrying you along as we make that outfit together. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here quickly and share with you some of the fabrics that I got. And I got them from different suppliers. Of course, I bought some in Maputo, I bought some here in Joburg from different stores. So check them out if you're around these places. And I couldn't wait to see your own makes out of the similar fabrics. And they also have different colors, different prints, and of course it will also depend on your budget, because you can get the same fabrics at a cheaper price, but be very, very vigilant about the quality. You do not want your clients calling you after the outfit has been sewn, and you know, funny things starts happening to the outfit because you chose to go for a cheaper piece of fabric. Okay, so yeah, that is what I had to share with you today. I wish you a pleasant morning, afternoon, evening from wherever you're watching us. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.